Deven, hi, morning. What is your own sense? You think this guidance cut is much in the price? And more importantly, what do you think has led to this?
Yes, good morning, Aisha. Well, I believe that I think the whatever the guidance cut has come, I think it is based on I think two or three things. One, of course, I think we all know about the uncertainty under which I think this particular environment is currently, particularly on the tariff front, as well as I think the free trade agreements, etc. I think on this subject, they have become a little bit more cautious while cutting down the guidance. But to me, I think everything seems to be in price because I think more importantly, when you look at the companies from a future perspective, when you start seeing the company as a separate company for commercial vehicle, domestic portfolio of passenger vehicle is separate, JLR portfolio is a separate portfolio, and all in all put together, I think their investments into the other entities also I think that starts giving them the monetization value. So in my viewpoint, along with the EV portfolio, which is also expanding, particularly even for JLR, I believe that I think everything seems to be in the price. On the contrary, I think given the kind of roadmap that they have laid down for the JLR and a Range Rover electric vehicles, it sounds I think pretty exciting probably, which could possibly generate higher amount of multiples for the company because EV segment I think does command a higher amount of multiples in rest of the cases also in the industry. So from a perspective of looking at this company, I would think that the JLR as a brand, once it is separately available for Tata Motors in the passenger vehicle, could possibly make a re-rating case as far as the company is concerned.
All right, so the near-term outlook is not that great, but Devin, at what price point do you believe that it can once again become an attractive bet, given the fact that the stock has already fallen below that 700 mark? Do you believe in some more correction from now? One can actually look for a buying opportunity?
In a bear case scenario, I think somewhere around 600 would be the opportunity. But in a best case scenario, I think around 660 should be a good price to enter into the stock, which is quite closer to I think the yesterday's closing price. Otherwise, I think those who are waiting for little long-term investment point of view, I think even if they buy today, probably I think they are getting the appreciation over a 2-year period, 2.5-year period, which is a significantly large appreciation. Largely because of the fact that I think whenever there is such kind of uncertainty, that's when I think such a pricey assets I think you get at a discounted valuation. Today, when you look at Tata Motors' respective portfolios, be it commercial vehicle, be it passenger vehicle, domestic, or electric vehicles and the JLR, each of these portfolios are today quoting on a sum of the part valuation. This is a discounted valuation compared to most of its peers. And that's where I believe that I think everything is in price. Maybe this particular thing is an opportunity today. And when I think the stock price is down, I think one could buy and stay invested.
Okay, Deven, thank you so much for your time today and that quick take on Tata Motors. Let's see whether the weakness still persists on the stock or not. Abhishek, good to get in your insight as well. But let me take it